Guys, I finally got my third great one fallow deer, and it is a mocha blade rack, and oh my gosh, I was freaking screaming. Holy moly. Dude, it has taken so long to get this thing, and I finally got it. 10 fabled. 10 freaking fabled. Holy crap, let's go. Bro. Oh, it's my second blade rack though, which I'm not mad about. I like the blade racks, but I think I'm gonna have to come up from right at this outpost, because I'm using the Kerman inline. If you want to see what gun I'm using, I am using this gun, the Kerman inline 50. And holy crap, my heart is racing. I was literally talking about how my map has just been nothing but small deer for the past few days. And I was just thinking, who knows, maybe I have a great one coming up soon. And then my first run of fallow deer today. Come to this spot, bam, great one. And actually, you know what I did? I couldn't see the deer because he was actually coming up from this hill, so I couldn't see the deer itself. So I was like waiting in my tripod, just watching some YouTube. I looked to see if he was there. I saw it, and it was a freaking mocha blade rack. This is literally the one combo I wanted. I wanted the mocha blade rack. I should probably crouch now. Probably hear me. This is so scary. So stressful. All the great ones I've had, I always took with just normal guns, because I never liked taking them with like a certain type of gun, so I just use like rifles and stuff. Oh my gosh, dude. I literally made it my goal to get a great one fallow deer before I grinded red deer next. And I'm currently on a white-tailed grind right now. So, holy moly, bro. I'm actually like so happy. I finally got my huddle. Oh, I've been wanting a huddle fallow for so long, of like literally just great ones. I kind of want to try to get his track, and I can see the 97 to, or then I can see the 85 to 112 kg. It's time for me to start crawling. Is this his track? Oh my gosh, bro, this is so scary. Oh, that's not his track. Oh my god, bro, there he is. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm actually so happy right now. Oh, sir. Oh my gosh, bro. Kinda want to try to get him with a crossbow, not gonna lie. But I don't have very good aim with the crossbow. So I want to get a broadside shot. That's not the angle I want. Oh, the female is going alert now. 10 freaking fabled. think it's time to take him down. You guys ready? 3. Once he gets his head up. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to do that for so long. Holy crap, dude. Holy. That grind took like a week, bro. Yes, sir. Hold up. I gotta get some pictures. Feel me, dog? Dude. Literally, bro. Let's go. Finally. Got a freaking great one. Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Dude. That grind literally took forever. That grind took like 2 weeks, I swear. Finally got him done. Finally got him down. Freaking great one. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Holy crap, bro. I'm actually so happy. Finally, bro. Freaking finally. Let's go. Yes, sir. Now I just gotta finish this run quick. Hold up, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go. Freaking great one, baby. That is my 7th great one. Killed at least. I have 3 fallow deer, 4 red deer, and a messed up whitetail. Let me just check to make sure I taxied it. Yes, sir. Fabled polka blade rack. Dude, I literally was like, oh my god, great one, no freaking one. Literally, bro, I actually screamed. I went to go tell my brother and he was like, I don't care. Literally, bro, that kid never cares. Holy moly. Let's go. Still in shock that I got a great one, bro. It's my 7th one because I'm pretty grindful for it. Oh my gosh, bro, that actually took forever. Now, if you guys want a fallow deer lodge tour, be sure to let me know down in the comments. But this is the previous huddle I had with all my fallow deer big trophies. There's that Irish elk great one. This is my very first great one I ever got. Fabled silver fallow deer. So I've been grinding a year's worth of great ones, and I have 7 great ones right now. I think it's time to take this off. Trophy manager. Gotta find the huddle. Hold on. Here we go. Dismantle. Yes, sir. Make a new multi-mount. Huddle fallow. Gotta get the great one fallow. Another great one fallow. And another great one fallow. Yes, sir. And then, what you want to do with this? Oh! Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, this looks sick. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm literally standing on my great ones, fam. I'm actually goated. I'm goated at this game, bro. Let's go. Yeah, baby. This is my first 270 actually, and it was a chocolate. This one was a level 5 with the troll rack, but it made diamonds, so I shot it with the 300 because I didn't think you'd be anything special. Little did I know. It was a freaking diamond troll rack level 5. I was actually so mad at that. Like, I almost quit the game after that, not gonna lie. Let me just rearrange some stuff. And yes, sir. This is definitely by far my favorite Great One. 100%. I think I'm gonna start going for more Great One fallow. Because I don't want to get, like, multiple huddles. I want fallow to be my Great One. Oh, dude, imagine I spawn a Great One this run. That would actually be insane. You feel me, dog? Well, I think that's going to be the end of the video. I'll record anything that happens, like a super rare or a Great One or anything. So, yeah. Peace.